We're explaining how to resolve the no suitable driver found error in JDBC when connecting to MySQL. This frustrating error pops up when your Java application can't find the necessary MySQL connector J library to talk to your database. Let's break down how to fix it. 1. Download the MySQL connector JDBC. First, you need the correct driver. Go to the official MySQL website and download the latest version of the MySQL connector J. It's a jar file, Java archive. 2. Locate your project's libraries directory. Next, find where your Java project stores its external libraries. This location varies depending on your IDE, Integrated Development Environment. In Eclipse, it's often under the Referenced Libraries folder within your project. IntelliJ IDEA might have a libs or similar folder. If you're using a build tool like Maven or Gradle, the process differs slightly. Explain later. 3. Add the jar to your project. Once you've found the libraries directory, copy the downloaded MySQL connector JDBC file into that location. 4. IDE-specific steps. Your IDE usually needs to be informed about the new library. In Eclipse, you might need to refresh your project. In IntelliJ, you might need to add it via the project structure settings, File, Project Structure, Libraries. 5. Build path configuration, Maven Gradle. If you're using Maven, add the MySQL connector J dependency to your write single quote pom.xml write single quote file. A typical dependency entry would look like this. Dependency grouped MySQL grouped artifacted MySQL connector Java / artifacted version 8. 0.33 version / dependency. Remember to replace 8, 0.33 write single quote with the actual version you downloaded. For Gradle, you'd add it to your write single quote build.gradle, write single quote file using a similar approach, usually within the dependencies block. 6. Verify the driver in your code. Ensure you're using the correct write single quote class.forName statement in your Java code to load the driver. This line typically looks something like this. Write single quote class.forName com.mysql.cj.jdbc.driver. The exact class name might vary slightly depending on the connector J version. Always double-check the documentation for the version you downloaded. 7. Check your class path. If you're not using an IDE or build tool, you might need to manually add the location of your jar to your system's class path environment variable. This tells Java where to look for the driver. 8. Database connection. Details. Confirm that your database connection details, URL, username, and password are all correct. A common mistake is a typo in the database name or a wrong password. 9. Restart your IDE application. After making any of these changes, restart your IDE or run your application again. The no suitable driver found error should be gone if you followed these steps correctly. Remember to handle potential exceptions, like SQL exception, gracefully in your code.